Hi everyone, welcome to episode number 8 of the Power Platform Did You Know series. My name is Ron, and this week I have with me a special guest, Matt. Matt, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, thanks, Ron. So my name's Matt Mead. I'm a technical specialist with business applications based out of Vancouver.
Great. So guys, as you can see through the wonders of technology, we're coming to you this week through a combination of in-person and Skype. The session that Matt and I want to introduce you to this week is called Igniting Bottoms-Up Innovation with Microsoft Flow. And this is actually a session that was delivered during the Microsoft Business Application Summit in Seattle back in July. And one of the things that's really interesting about the session is when they start to talk about some of the examples that you can achieve using Flow. And Matt, actually one of the specific scenario is around customer service. And I know customer service is an interesting topic for a lot of customers these days. And I just want to get your perspective on how you're seeing customers and customer service and Flow in your conversations.
Yeah, it's a great one. And one of my favorite ways to present Power Apps is in conjunction with Flow. And what I mean by that is if you build a really simple to use, say, a customer service greeter application for a store or a branch or whatever it may be, you can quite easily tie that in with Flow and hook it up to maybe an approval process or something along those lines to get interaction through that customer service cycle. So what I like to do is tie in, say, a hold process, maybe a transaction's on hold for a particular customer, trigger that within a Canvas Power App, which goes into Flow. And remember, Flow connects to over 200 different applications. Call out to a manager, get the approval of that hold, and then push that back into the Canvas app. So there's tons and tons of possibilities of how you can tie Flow automation, business automation into your Power Apps.
That's great. Great, thanks, Matt. And guys, thanks for watching. Please let us know what you think. We would love to know what you like, what you didn't like, or other topics that you would like us to cover in future episodes. So until next time, thanks for watching.